William Franklin Graham, Jr., commonly known as Billy Graham, was born on November 7, 1918 in Charlotte, North Carolina. He was the first of 4 children, Catherine, Melvin, and Jean. He was raised in a Calvinist family and was baptized as a baby with a sprinkling of water. In 1936, he attended the fundamentalist school of Bob Jones College in Cleveland, Tennessee. However, he left after a few months. He transferred in January of 1937 to Florida Bible Institute, now known as Trinity College, from which he graduated in 1940 with a Bachelor of Theology degree. While at the institute, he became convinced that he should be baptized in immersion in water as an adult, and John Minder, vice president of the institute, presided at the sacrament. Then, he began preaching on street corners, at small churches, and at rescue missions. In December 1938, he was baptized again by the Baptist Church of East Palatka, Florida, by Cecil Underwood, a Southern Baptist, in Silver Lake. He agreed to the baptism to be acceptable to Southern Baptists and, at the time, also began his lifelong membership in the Southern Baptist Convention. The following year, he was ordained as a Southern Baptist minister in the St. Johns River Association. A short while after that, he attended Wheaton College from 1940 to 1943. While there, he met his future wife, Ruth Bell. In 1943, after Graham's graduation, the couple married. In the next decade, Billy Graham held campaigns, evangelistic campaigns, in all the major U.S. cities, as well as a series of them in Africa, Asia, South America, and Europe. In the later 1950s, Graham and a group of co-workers incorporated the BGEA, Billy Graham Evangelistic Association. After 1957, Billy Graham generally held 3 to 5 crusades, or evangelical rallies, a year. The BGEA only held crusades in places where they had been invited by a large number of local pastors and laypersons. The BGEA formed their own radio station named Hour of Decision, and even a television show. In his lifelong ministry, he had many critics which varied in the intensity of their criticism. Some accused him of only searching for his own honor in his ministries, and others saying that his ministries only stirred emotions but left little result. Graham, though, continued in his ministry and rarely replied to the critics' sayings or questions. Currently, Billy Graham lives in North Carolina. His wife died in 2007, and his eldest son, William Franklin, is his soon-to-be successor in the BGEA. Graham is now about 92 years old, but is going through health problems. Presently, he is too weak to leave the North Carolina hospital because of his pneumonia. Even during and after his life, he will be remembered as a famous American historical figure and won't be forgotten for making a change in the United States of America.